Okay, we've been dealing with relations and functions, and something related to that topic is direct variation. Now, what is direct variation? Well, it is a linear function where y varies directly with x, and k is the constant of variation when k does not equal 0. So the formula or equation for direct variation is y equals kx. Now I want to remind you, anytime you see linear function, linear means when you graph it, it's going to be a line. Okay, so this is another formula we can use in our math class for lines. Now, it mentioned constant of variation. That's the k in this formula. So if we have a sample problem like this one, find the constant of variation for the given line. Okay, so here I've got a line graphed, and I've got coordinates on the line that are labeled. Okay, well, if I want to find that constant, I just take one of these points, doesn't matter which one, I'll take 2, 4, and I'm going to plug in the x and the y values into my formula. So the 4 is the y value, put it here for the y. 2 is x, put it here. Okay, and then you want to solve for k. You want to get k alone. So just a little reminder, when you want to get a variable alone, you analyze what's happening to it. It's being multiplied by 2. I should probably put that in parentheses. It's being multiplied by 2. So you want to get it alone, you do the opposite to that, to both sides of the equals. The opposites, divide by 2, divide by 2. These will cross cancel to 1. 1 times k leaves k alone. We end up with 4 over 2, and that reduces down to 2 over 1. Now remember, what was that for? It was the y, and I ended up dividing it by the x value. Okay, so basically it's the rise over the run, and remember with direct variation we said y varies directly with x. So in other words, when we go over 1 for x, we're going to go up 2 for y. That's what this means. Run is going over sideways, and rise up for x. And if we happen to have a negative value, of course, instead of rise, it's going to decline. It's going to go down. So anyway, oh, and I don't know if you were seeing all that. Hopefully I don't need to redo this this video. Anyway, here's the equation and the graph. So anyway, like I said, if you want to find the constant of variation, you want to take just a point on the line, take its coordinates, plug it into this equation, and solve for k. K is your constant of variation. Okay, thank you.